What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Loriana, and as you guys have already seen, I went to Home Depot. This is the beginning of my birthday vlog, pretty much. Just a little recap for you guys. So yes, I picked my paint out for my room, and we started working on my room. We covered up the door and just hit a couple little spots where holes were from just room decor and things like that. Then we fixed the ceiling because it was sagging. I'm really just so excited that I'm repainting my room because I have been talking about repainting my room for a while now. I really wanted to just redo my whole room, honestly. So to paint my room, I was very excited. The black room is starting to give, okay? Then we shampooed the carpet, and here is just a full little glimpse of the room being painted when it was finished. So period. It's cute, it's giving black and white. This he surprised me with a whole bunch of motherfucking furniture, y'all. I got the motherfucking bed I wanted, y'all. Look. Ooh, I'm cutting it open. Just wait till y'all see this shit. Ooh, it's velvet. Do y'all see this? Like, come on now. Like, this shit is cute as fuck. They put it together for me. Then we did the little counter. And boom, this is the final look. My room looks so cute. Peep the chandelier. Y'all see it. Wait till y'all see what it can do. After I walk around, showing you guys the dresser. And my granny got me those birthday gifts right there. And my little brothers Lonzo and Liam made me a ray gun and a Tesseract. Only the real ones know what those are. But yes, it's giving. And here is my lamp. The lamp, you see that? Yes, I tapped it, y'all, when the light cut on. Do y'all see that? Period. This cute little decor right here. It's glistening. It's very cute. My mom got me all this and the little mirror for my nightstand. Now, boom. Do you see this? Yes. Chandelier is a whole ceiling fan. Period. This the best birthday I done had, y'all. Like, I got a whole new room. They done iced me out. The fuck? They done really hooked me up. Room cute. Like, I am in love with my bed. Like, she really got me the bed I want. Like, this whole bedroom set is beautiful. The counter came out beautiful. Like, thank you, Mom. I love all my shit. They also made me this really cute poster with my favorite candy on them. Yes, y'all, I love sweet tarts. They also got me a game card so I can buy me a little weapon on Call of Duty. They done put a lash on a unicorn. Like, it's giving. My boyfriend gave me money, and I ate China Jay and crab legs, which is my favorite foods. This is my cake. And yes, it was a confetti cake. It was real cute. It tastes good, and the chocolate one tastes really good too. Because really, I really love chocolate cake more than vanilla. Here's the ice creams that we ate. My favorite is the chocolate brownie one. Had a little drink, okay. Oh my God, Lorenz. Bye, y'all. We watching Stranger Things, so peace.